So they both analyze reactions. They both use various sampling technologies. How do I choose which instrument is right for me?
Well, there's one thing that I didn't mention, but I'll just point out here, is that you can actually see there are two holes in the front of this instrument. This is actually to allow us to align the detector, the MCT detector inside. This instrument does not have those holes, and that's because those controls are via a software control. In addition, there's another hole that you don't see here. This allows us to raise and lower the position of the detector. And the reason why I mention that is that, if you remember from our discussion about sampling technology, is that we have a really wide range of sampling technologies, from a K4 with sentinels to mirrored conduits that have six knuckles, or an articulating conduit with 16 millimeter probes, and they require a higher degree of flexibility in order to really get the best performance out of the sampling technology. So right away, you can understand that in terms of squeezing the best performance across a really wide range of sampling technology is something that you can do with this. So if you're in a laboratory, particularly a process development lab, and you're a process development chemist or a chemical engineer that's really working with a lot of different types of reactions and sampling technology, that this gives you the flexibility to really get the best performance out of that wide range of sampling technologies. Obviously, as well, if you're interested in doing something like monitoring both the liquid phase and the head phase of a reaction using a gas cell at the same time, that you can do that with the multiplexer, and you can't. So again, it's just more for people that have a really wide variety of needs for reaction analysis. The ReactIR IC10 is really an excellent instrument for the organic chemist or for the process development chemist. It does a lot, obviously, of what the ReactIR 45M does. It's missing a few of the higher end features, but in terms of doing reaction progression analysis, so monitoring reaction initiation, reaction endpoint, the presence of intermediates, and doing mechanistic studies and elucidation of reaction mechanism and kinetics, they can all be done quite effectively with the IC10.